guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Linds. Today I'm going to be teaching you one of my favorite hairstyles, which is a high braided ponytail. It's actually been a hot second since I've sported this look, but I think it's time to bring it back. I love this hairstyle because it is super easy to do and it's just a little bit elevated than your average pony, and I think it's just really chic. So let's get into it. So you're gonna need a few things for this tutorial. A couple hair ties. I have one in my hair and I literally rummaged through everything I own, bags, suitcases, everything, and could not find another ponytail to save my life. So I just borrowed this from my roommate Becca. Shout out Becca, she's the best. You're also gonna need some bobby pins. I have some smaller like bang pieces I'll need to pin, a hairbrush or comb, and then I also use dry shampoo because my hair is fairly greasy right now. This is a great hairstyle if you have a greasier hair day. Some hair oil, and then I have some extra hold hairspray. This one is by Dove and it's a compressed micro mist. I really like this hairspray. And then I also use the Way matte pomade, which is great for just making that hairdo very slick. So the first things first, you're going to brush out your hair. So I'm just gonna take mine out of the pony. I use Wet Brush Pro. I don't know, I got it in PR. But I like it because I have such thick hair. So I just brush it back because we are going to be throwing it into a high pony. Next, I'm going to be taking some dry shampoo. I'm using She's Like the Wind by Vor Hair Care. I've worked with them for ages and this is by far my favorite product of theirs. It's actually an invisible dry shampoo and conditioner and it just makes your hair last so long. You can go days without showering and this guy's your friend for sure. So I just kind of puff a few pumps into my hair. You can see it's like a powder formula. I am almost out. There we go. And I just kind of shake it into the root. You can see how much more volume it already gave my hair. I love this product. Next, you're gonna take your brush and a pony and actually flip my hair over and bring a pony very high. So it's gonna be like from the top of your head, it's only gonna be like maybe like 3 or 4 inches at most, but you want it to be on the top of your head so you get the really like big effect of the braid. Okay. Lost my brush down there. So you just want to brush everything in so it's nice and smooth. What I love about being a brunette is that A, I don't have roots anymore, but I feel like you see less bumps and whatnot. I'm like giving myself a permanent facelift with this hairstyle. But again, you want the pony to be super on top of your head and you want to use a very tight elastic as well. I'm going to be using Becca's because as you can see my elastic is quite used and stretched out. So wrap it around as many times as you can. You want a tight ponytail and tighten it. Woo! I'll show you the side. That's how high I have the pony. And next, I like to take the hair oil and just put a few pumps in my hands. I'm gonna take some into the pony. It's just gonna make your ponytail a lot shinier, easier to braid and less frizzy, and then just the remainder on the scalp. I don't put the bobby pins in right away because when you start using the hairspray and the matte pomade, it actually brings more hair back. So I leave the bobby pins till last. That being said, next is the Way matte pomade. I love this product for like flyaways or just doing any sort of like slick hairstyle. I do also use it for down do's. I use it quite a bit and honestly I haven't used that much product at all. You just need like the tiniest bit of product. So for example, I only have a bit on my fingertips and I just kind of rub it between my fingertips. I have mad baby hair, so I like to push the baby hairs back and just make the style as slick as possible. I would not recommend using a matte pomade if you are hoping to get a few days out of your hair. This does tend to make your hair very greasy, so make sure this is like on your last day before you shower. I'm just gonna flip my pony over and then add it to the bottom of my hair as well. Okay, now everything's super slick. I'm gonna shake my spray and spray away. I grew up as a dancer, so I am used to a heavy head of hairspray. So don't be afraid to use lots. I personally think it looks great when your hair's super slick back. And again, on the bottom too. Hope I don't spray the lens. Woo. And then finally, if you have any bangs or whatnot to pin like I do, you can do that. Mine are quite grown out now, so they're not too bad. Ooh, you can see where my bang pieces are. On that note, I'm gonna take one piece. There we go. Just makes it look a little bit more put together and profesh. And you just pin that. There we go. So as you can see, I have a lot of hair and it's a lot of volume. So I do like it to be quite oiled up. So I'm gonna actually add a little bit more oil to my hair. Again, it just makes the braid more shiny and sleek. All right, so for this part, I'm just gonna kind of go sideways. You can see my baby hairs there too. I don't think I really need to teach you guys how to braid. If you're watching this video and you don't know how to braid, I would suggest going to an actual tutorial because I'm just gonna go ahead and braid this normally. So you just split the pony into 3 parts. And just make sure that you braid the braid very tight is the key. And then when you get to the bottom, you just want to tie it as close to the end as possible. And I just like to also spray the pony itself. I have some pieces I need to pin. And that is the finished look. I love this. It's just a little bit more chic. Again, great for a greasy hair day if you're unsure what to do and you're just like, I want to look cool. Just throw on a t-shirt, do a hairstyle like this, throw on some jewelry. You're good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want to see more from me on hairstyles, make sure to comment in the section below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!